Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a new chapter number 7, mensuration. Okay. So the mensuration is one of the branch of mathematics which deals with the study of areas and volumes of different kinds of geometrical shapes. Okay. In this chapter we are going to study about the areas and values. Okay. For different geometrical shapes. So in this chapter, first we are going to learn a new formula that is called Heron's formula. Okay. This formula is using for finding the area of the triangle. Already we know so many formulas for finding the area of the triangle. Okay, this is one of the additional formula for finding the area of the triangle. Okay, so this one we can use like this. Okay, if A comma B comma C are the sides of the triangle or the sides of a triangle, then the area of the triangle, then the area of a triangle is equal to root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Okay. Already we told that ABC is the sides of the triangle. That means what about the S? S is a semi-perimeter. Okay. Where S is equal to, how to find? We can use A plus B plus C divided by 2. Okay. If you add all the sides and divided by 2 means it's called a S. Okay. The S is called semi-perimeter. Okay. S is the semi-perimeter. Okay. Semi means half. Okay. We know that already. If you are taking a triangle, the sides are A, B, C means we know that the perimeter is what? Perimeter means the boundary line. Okay. Perimeter means the length of the boundary. Okay, so here the boundary lines means this one, A, B, C. So sum of the boundary line means A plus B plus C. Okay, so if you take divided by 2, it is called half of the perimeter. Half of the perimeter is called semi-perimeter. Okay, yes. So now we will start the exercise. 7.1. This exercise fully it's based on this formula only. This Heron's formula only we are going to use in this full exercise. Okay. So in the Heron's formula you can use for finding the area of the triangle. The formula is root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2. Okay. This one is the value of s. Okay. This is the formula. So we will start the exercise. Exercise number 7.1. This is part 1. Okay. 7.1 part 1. So the first question is, Using Heron's formula, find the area of a triangle whose sides are, the first subdivision is 10 centimeter and 24 centimeter, then 26 centimeter. Okay, so these are the sides values. So for using Heron's formula means you should take these sides is called ABC. Okay, so A is equal to 10 centimeter and B is equal to 24 centimeter, then C is equal to 26 centimeter. Okay, so we know that the area of triangle formula. Okay, area of a triangle is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay. So what we want to do? First we should find a S. Okay. S value we want to find. S is equal to A plus B plus C whole divided by 2. Okay. So here what is the value of ABC? A is equal to 10 plus B is equal to 24 plus C is equal to 26 divided by 2. So if you add, you will get 60. Okay. So 60 divided by 2, if you get cancel, you will get 30. So that is equal to answer 30. The S value is 30. So for finding the area of triangle, we need S minus A and S minus B, then S minus C. Okay. So we found S value, S is equal to 30. So A value is 10. Okay. So 30 minus 10, you will get 20 centimeter. Then B value is 24. So 30 minus 24 is equal to 6 centimeter. Then 30 minus 26 is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay. So we want to find the area. So area is equal to area of a triangle is equal to, already we wrote the formula. What is that? Root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay. So you can write it. What is our S? S is equal to 30. So 30 into S minus A is equal to 20. Then S minus B is equal to 6 and S minus C is equal to 4. Okay. So we want to find the root of these values. So what we want to do? We should find the prime factorization. Okay. So how to split the 30? 30 எப்படி split பண்ணலாம்? We can divide it by 2. Okay. So what do you get? 15. So it will be divisible by 5. So 3, then 3, 1. Okay. So that means 30 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. Then 20, we know that 2 2s are 4, 4 into 5, 20. Then 6 is equal to 2 into 3. Then 4 is equal to 2 into 2. Okay. Therefore, this is equal to, in a square root means for each two equal terms we can take it out one term. Okay. So, for two terms ku one term vella edukalam. So, here how many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 2's are there. That is 2 power 6 into, here 3 means 2 3's are there. So, 3 square and 5, 2 5's are there. So, 5 square. Okay. So, what we want to do? So, for each two terms you can take one term outside. That means in 2 we have 6 terms. So what do you get? Half of the term means you can take 3. Okay, or 3 terms. So power la enna irukko adhe 2 ஆல divide பண்ணிக்கங்க. So you will get 2 power 3. Then 3 square na 3 la ஒரு term வெளில வரும். அப்ப 3 into then 5. Okay va? So what do you get? 2 power 3 means 8. 2 into 2 into 2. Then 8 into 3 into 5. So what do you get? 8 5s are 40. 40 into 3. You will get 120. Okay, we are taking the sides is called as centimeter, so you can take it as is the area, so this is called centimeter square. Okay, therefore area of a triangle is equal to 120 centimeter square. This is your answer. Okay, so the next one, second subdivision. First question, second subdivision. Okay, this is also the same thing, but this is this second problem is given in the decimal numbers. Okay, so what is that? The A value is equal to 1.8 meter and B is equal to 8 meter, then C is equal to 8.2 meter. Okay, so already I told you, first if you want to find the area of the triangle using Heron's formula means first we should find S value. Okay, so S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. So what do you get? A is equal to 1.8. 1.8 plus 8 plus 8.2 divided by 2. So what do you get? 1.8 plus 8.2 means you will get 10. 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. So 18 divided by 2 get cancelled. You will get 9. So 9 centimeter. Sorry, 9 meter. So 9 meter. So therefore S is equal to 9 meter. So what we want to do? Next we want to find the value of S minus A, S minus A, S minus B, then S minus C. Okay, that is equal to, S is the value of 9. So 9 minus 1.8, then 9 minus 8, then 9 minus 8.2. Okay, so 9 minus 1.8 is equal to 7.2. So 7.2 meter. Then 9 minus 8, 1 meter. That is equal to 9 minus 8.2. So you will get 0.8. Okay, so 0.8 meter. So next we want to apply the formula, area of triangle. So area of a triangle is equal to, what is the formula? You know that S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay, that is equal to, what is our S? S is equal to 9. So 9 into S minus A. S minus A is equal to 7.2. Then S minus B is equal to 1. Then S minus C is equal to 0.8. Okay, so here we have a decimals. So we want to multiply first, then we can take it the square root. Okay, so what do you get? 9 into 7.2, 8 into 7.2 means I can multiply 72 into 8. Okay, 72 into 8 means what do you get? 8 is a 16, balance 1, 8 7s are 56, 56 plus 1, 57. Okay, so 7.2, 0.8 upper 2 decimals tally point vakkirom. So you can take it 5.76. Okay, so 5.76 into 9. So root of 9 into 5.76. Okay, so 9 3 into 3 split பண்ணலாம். Okay, so 3 into 3, then 5.76 5.76 root எடுக்கலாம். So what do you get? 576. Okay, so how to find the square root? You can divide it, you can split it two terms from the last. Okay, so it says 3 terms, remaining 1 term அப்படியே எடுத்துக்கோங்க. பின்னாடி வந்து 2 terms split பண்ணிட்டு வாங்க. So இப்போ 5 குள்ள என்ன ஸ்கொயர் நம்பர் இருக்கு அப்படின்னா 2 எடுக்கலாம். So 2 2s are 4, balance 1. Okay, then you can take the 76. Okay, in normal division we can take down only one number, but in the square root we can take two terms. Okay, so then in the quotient we have 2, so you can multiply by 2. So 2 into 2 you will get 4. அந்த quotientல என்ன நம்பர் இருந்தாலும் 2 ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி எழுதிக்குவோம். ஓகேவா? so 4. so இங்க என்ன நம்பர் அப்ளை பண்ணா நமக்கு இங்க 6 வரும் அப்படினா ஒண்ணு 4 ஆல மல்டிப்ளை, இங்க 4 போட்டா இங்க 4 வரணும். இப்போ 4 4 16, அப்ப 6 ல முடியும். இல்ல அப்படினா 6 போட்டா வரும். அப்ப 6 into 6 36, அப்ப 6 ல முடியும். so you can check it first. 4 போட்டு பார்க்கலாம் ஆன்சர் வருதான்னு. ஓகேவா? so 4 4s are 16, balance 1, again 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 1 17. so we will get the answer. so no need to check the another number. so what is the square root? 24. here 5.76 means we can take it as 2.4. okay, so 2.4 into 2.4. okay, so for each 2 terms we can take 1 term. so for 1 3, for 2 3 we can take 1 3, that is 3 into 2.4. so what do you get? 3 into 2.4, you will, if you multiply you will get 7.2. it is the area. so we are using the meter, so you can take it as meter square. okay, this is the area of triangle. so next, question number 2. okay, the sides of the triangular ground are 22 meter, 120 meter and 122 meter. find the area and cost of leveling the ground at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square. okay, so size of the triangle is given. find the area and the cost of leveling. cost of leveling means என்ன, அதாவது வந்து சமப்படுத்துறதுக்கான அமௌண்ட் என்னன்னு கேக்குறாங்க. சமப்படுத்துறது அப்படின்னா you can use the area. ஓகேவா? சப்போஸ் பென்சிங் அந்த மாதிரி கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா you can use the perimeter. பென்சிங்னா அங்க வேலி அமைக்கிறது அந்த மாதிரி கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், பெரிமீட்டர் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். இங்க காஸ்ட் ஆஃப் லெவலிங் த கிரவுண்ட், நிலத்தை சமப்படுத்துறதுக்கான அமௌண்ட் தான் ஃபைனல் பண்ணிருக்காங்க சொல்லிருக்காங்க. so we can use the area formula. okay, so first you can write the values. what is that? the sides of the triangular ground are 22 meter, 120 meter then and 122 meter. okay, so you can take it as ABC. so A is equal to 22 meter, then B is equal to 120 meter, then C is equal to 122 meter. okay, so first we want to find the S value. already we know that S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. okay, so you can add the values. 22 plus 120 plus 122 divided by 2. So if you add, you will get 132. Okay. Sorry. If you add, you will get 2 plus 2 4. Then 2 2 4 6 are 6. Then 264. Okay. 264 divided by 2. If you get cancel, you will get 132. Okay. So the S value is 132 meter. Okay. So S is the value of 132. So you want to find the S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. We know that S is equal to 132. So 132 minus 22. So you will get 110 meter. Then S minus B is equal to 132 minus 120 is equal to 12 meter. Then S minus C, 132 minus 122 is equal to 10 meter. Okay. So you want to write the formula. Area of a triangular ground. Area of a triangular ground is equal to root of, formula is what? S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay. So you want to apply the values. What is that S value? 132. So 132 into S minus A, 110. S minus B is 12 and S minus C is 10. Okay. That is equal to root of. So you want to split the values. Okay. So 132. How to split this? You use 2 table. So 6 times 12, balance 1 again 6 times. So 2 means 33. So it can be divided by 3. So 3 into 11. So 11, 1. Okay. So 132 means 2 into 2 into 3 into 11. Then 110 is equal to 11 into 10. 10 means 2 into 5. Okay. Then 12. 12 means 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. Then 10 is equal to 2 into 5. Okay. It's everything in the root. Okay. So what do you want to do? You can split each two. We can take each two terms. You can take out one term. So if your 2 has 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms are there. So 2 power 6 into 3. 3 we have a 2 terms. So 3 square. Then 11 we have a 2 terms. So 11 square. Then 5 we have a 2 terms. So 5 square. Okay. So what do you want to do? For each 2 terms you can take 1 term outside. So 2 power 6 means we will get 2 power 3 outside. Okay. So 3 square means 3. 11 square means 11 and 5 square means 5. So 2 power 3 is 8. Okay. So what do you get? 8 into 8 into 3 into 11 into 5. Okay. So we will multiply. 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. 11 into 5, 55. So if you multiply, you will get 5 4s are 20. Balance 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So again 120. So 0, 2, 3, 1. So you will get 1320. It is a meter. So you can take it as a meter square. Okay, this is the area of the triangular ground. Area of the triangular ground. Okay. So what we want to do next one? So cost of leveling they asked. Okay, so you can write it. Cost of leveling. Cost of leveling for 1 meter square. For 1 meter square, the cost is given rupees 20. Okay, rupees 20. The total area is 1,320 meters square. Okay, so therefore cost of leveling for 1,320 meters square is equal to 1,320 into 20. Okay, so 2 all multiply pannona, you will get 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 and 2 1 is 2, then we have a 2 zeros. So this is the cost, so you can write it as rupees, that is equal to rupees 26,400. Okay, this is the cost of leveling the ground. Okay, therefore cost of leveling the ground is equal to rupees 26,400. Okay, that's all. Then next question. Question number 3. The perimeter of a triangular plot is 600 meter. If the sides are in the ratio 5:12:13, then find the area of the plot. Okay, so perimeter is given and the sides of the ratio is given. Okay, then from that we are going to find the area of the triangular plot. Okay, so first you can write it. Let the sides of the triangle we don't know, so you can take it as ABC. Okay, so triangle ABC. Okay, P. So the ratio is given, no? So you can take it as multiples of x, no? So what is that? 5x and 12x, comma 13x respectively. Okay. So next one, perimeter is given. Okay. So perimeter of a triangular plot. Perimeter of a triangular plot is equal to 600 meter. Okay. Already I told you in the introduction. So perimeter means we can write it as A plus B plus C is equal to 600. Okay, wow. So what is here? What we take A? A is equal to 5x. A is equal to 5x. A is equal to 5x plus B is equal to 12x and C is equal to 13x. This is equal to 600. So if you add, what do you get? 13 plus 12, 25, 25 plus 5, 30. So 30x is equal to 600. From this we are going to find the x value. So x is equal to 600. This 30 is multiple with x, so it is converted into division. So 0 0 cancel, then 3 table means you can use 20 times. So therefore x is equal to 20. Okay. So it is given in the meter, so you can take it as x is equal to 20 meter. So if you want to find the area, what do you want to do? You want to find the S value. Okay. Before that, we can find ABC value. A is equal to what here? 5x. So 5 into 20, you will get 100 meter. Okay. Then B is equal to 12x. So 12 into 20, 240 meter. Then C is equal to 13x. C is equal to 13x. So 13x is equal to 13 into 20. You will get 260 meter. Okay. So already ABC is given. Okay. So S is equal to what? ABC, not ABC. It is A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C is given. Okay. So A plus B plus C is divided by 2. So A plus, the perimeter is A plus B plus C. So 600 divided by 2, you will get 300. So S is the value of 300 meter. Okay. So next we want to apply the Heron's formula. What is that? Area of triangle. Area of triangle is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay. So what is our S? 300. 300 into S minus A. We found S. So S minus A, directly you can apply it. What is that? 300 minus A value is what? 100. 100. Then S minus B. 300 minus B value is 240. Okay. Then into S minus C. 300 minus C value is 260. Okay. So therefore 300 minus 100, you will get 200. Then 300 minus 240, you will get 60. Then 300 minus 260, you will get 40. Okay. So what do you want to do? Here we can split it. 300 means 3 into 100. Why we are doing like this? Directly we can't find the what? ஃபுல்லா நம்ம பிரைம் ஃபேக்டரா பிரிக்காம எதுக்கு அப்படி பண்ணணும்னா இங்க ஏற்கனவே இன்னொரு 100 நம்ம இருக்கு. ஸோ டைரக்டாவே நம்ம எடுத்துக்கலாம். ஸோ அதனால தான் இங்க இருக்கு. ஸோ 2 into 100. Then 60 means 3 into 2 into 10. Okay. Then 40 means 2 into 2 into 10. Okay. So you can take each two terms outside. Here we have a 200 terms. So what is that? 100 square into 3 also we have square terms. 3 square. Then 2 also. 2 we have 4 terms. So 2 power 4. Then 10 we have a 2 terms. So 10 square. Okay. So what do you get? This is equal to, for in a square root we can take each two terms, we can take one term outside. So what do you get? 100 into 3 into 2 square. 2 square into 10 square means you can take 10. So 3 into 2 square means you will get 4. Okay. 3 into 4, 12. So 12. Here 100 into 10 means you will get 1000. So you will get 12,000. Okay. 12,000 meters square. Okay. This is the answer. This is area of the plot. Thank you, children.